Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new task in Clickup step by step in a way that's simple, clear, and perfect for 2025. Whether you're managing personal projects or leading a team, this guide will make sure you never miss a task again. Let's dive in. First, let's log in. Open your web browser and navigate to the Clickup website. Click the Login button, usually at the top right corner. For a smoother experience, you can sign in with your Google account. Just make sure you select the right account if you have multiple. Once you're in, you'll be on your Clickup dashboard. Next, you need to go to the workspace or list where you want to create your task. This keeps everything organized and ensures your task is in the right place from the start. Select the specific list and you're ready to create. Now, locate and click the Add Task button. A new task form will pop up. Here's what you need to fill in. Task name, give your task a clear, concise title so you can recognize it quickly. Description, add all the details, instructions, or context your team needs to complete the task. Assignee, assign the task to the team member responsible for it. This ensures accountability. Due date, set a deadline so nothing falls behind schedule. Priority, mark the urgency, whether it's low, medium, high, or urgent, to keep your team focused. Tags, add keywords to categorize your tasks. This helps in tracking similar tasks and makes searches faster. After filling in all the details, just click the Create Task button and your new task is live. That's it. Your task is now ready to be tracked, managed, and completed efficiently. And there you have it. Creating tasks in Clickup is that simple, but doing it right can completely transform the way you manage your projects. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Clickup tips, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.